It's a happy day at home.
Hooray!
Mom and Dad are here to stay. Little hands are ready now. We can help. Watch us wow.
Wipe, wipe, watch us wow!
Wipe, wipe, wipe the table clean. Nice and shiny, bright and neat. Small cloth, gentle hands. Helping out is really grand.
Sorted toys, red and blue.
Cars go here, blocks there too. Match the shapes one by one. Cleaning up is lots of fun.
Putting toys away.
Toys away, hooray!
Hooray!
In the box they're tucked away. Look around, the room feels bright. We did a great job, feels just right.
Helping in the kitchen.
Napkins here and plates go there. Helping mommy, helping care. Step by step, safe and slow. Teamwork helps our family grow.
Feet seen, swish, swish, swish.
Little broom goes whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Clean the floor, try our best. Helping makes our home feel blessed.
Folding towels.
Fold the towel nice and neat. Press it down, repeat, repeat. With a smile and helping hands, I can help, I understand.
Water plants, just a sip.
Watch them grow, drip, drip, drip. Plants say thank you every day. Caring helps in every way.
Motor brace.
High five, we did it together. Helping makes us feel so clever. Big smiles, happy hearts. Teamwork is where joy starts.
Star on the chart, look and see.
I helped my family happily. One big star shining bright. I tried my best and did it right.
Did it right.
Now we rest and cuddle tight. Story time feels warm and right. After helping, what a treat. Family time is super sweet.
I'm a helper, yes it's true.
I'm a